Okay, interesting. Marco, kind of
Hmm.
switching back onto the subject of the whole perception of things just kind of disappearing. What do you think was the cause? What do you think is happening behind the scenes? And I'm not going to get you in trouble with this, but I mean, if you think it's something pertaining to um, before they already have a very strict policy and they don't want to kind of back down on it, but then later considering they see the reaction of the
Hmm.
way the world's dealing with it, and they see it's kind of okay to kind of open up, and then they decide to just kind of flip the switch, or if they're finding a right. Do you think that they're trying to find a right moment to flip the switch
Yeah,
for the right
so
reason?
I think the sort of official argument of that is that China did a lot of research, um, and all of a sudden came down to this conclusion where this variant of COVID is relatively weak. So the risk of people dying in the hospital is less. I think we talked about this before as a Communist China's point of view. They don't want to see uh, the Hunan situation in 2019 happens again
Mm-hmm.
on TV. That is a really bad look for any regime. Uh,
The Hunan situation.
so yeah,
The Wuhan or oh, okay.
Wuhan. Sorry, Wuhan. They don't want to see the whole sort of Wuhan uh, uh, episode happens again. So I mean, the sort of party lines explanation is that the party or the company the government did a lot of research and end up having this moment. They think it's the right moment for the COVID to kind of uh, be looked at as a flu.
Hmm.
So that is the sort of party line explanation. Another version is that something I've been talking about for nearly a year now, where when the export of China is still record high in 2022, but when that situation started to slow down, China needed some kind of like needed another sort of economic engine to kicks in for the economy to continue to run itself. So internal economy, internal consumer economy was the thing that we needed to kicks in. So and evidentially, from November, December to January, both China, Japan, and Korea export has been dropping for
Mm-hmm.
2 digits. So that is a really good sign of the Western world consuming less from the East, and that is also, I'm sure, it has been one of the consideration for triggering to opens up the internal consumption economy, consumer economy, and you can't have a consumer economy without releasing or relaxing the COVID policy, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's interesting. So it's almost I think it's almost trying to find the right date. I wouldn't be surprised if there's actually a feng shui master that says today's the right date to start this thing. Considering, well, I mean, I'm just joking.